In this episode, we almost get a Michelin star. We have a communication breakdown, and I very professionally clean my bike.
Remember, last night I made the video about it being so cold. This is a moment we're kind of questioning our life choices. But in the end, we both had a very nice and cozy, warm sleep in our sleeping bags. So, thank you, sleeping bags. Some of you might be wondering, why the hell are we here now if it's so cold? I can camp here for free, and I wake up with this view. It's so beautiful. Let's put it differently, it makes it all worth it when it's not raining like now. Then it makes it all worth it. So now we're gonna pack up the tent again and go and buy some breakfast somewhere. Bye-bye camping spot. Going to look for some very much needed breakfast. Mind the sheep, mind the ibises. I'm testing my heated grips again, hoping for the best, fearing for the worst.
Once Iris was thoroughly satisfied that no, the heated grips had not magically fixed themselves overnight, we went on to the city of Quellón, ready for some much needed breakfast, and tried to find a SIM card to make life a little easier. We overcame our utter cheapskateness, and for once we paid for coffee and an empanada inside. Woohoo! And we actually filmed it! But the road beckoned, and soon we were off to a new location.
Ta-da! We reached one of the two southernmost ends of the Pan American Highway. It starts in Anchorage, Alaska, and one of the stops is here in Quellón on the utmost south of Chiloé Island, and the other end point where we're going is then now in Ushuaia, and from then on we continue north till we can go and say hi to the end point of the Pan American Highway in Alaska, so I think we still got a whole way to go. Hell yeah, let's go.
So we just arrived at the same spot again we were this morning. Iris needs a bit of a moment because we went into town to do some shopping, and then we just wanted to top up the phones, and that was a huge hassle. I think it took about 4 hours to get a proper SIM card. Now she's fully knackered, and we were going to go to another spot about 100 kilometers from here, but it would have been dark when we got there, and it's not fun wild camping in the dark, or at least finding your camp spot in the dark. So here we are again. Beautiful church, Iris on the bike, and all the beautiful landscape you could ever ask for. And today we have something very special. We probably don't need to patent it. So what we have is this bit of deliciousness. So instant noodles, an eggplant, and smoked mackerel. Delicious. Although it looks a bit like vomit or something. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm just saying it is delicious. If there is a very interesting update, we'll give it to you. There actually is an interesting update and not what we expected.
It's pretty good. A little salty, but apart from that, pretty good. Jonas, well done.
It is actually good. How are you feeling?
Crappy.
Better? A bit better?
A bit warmer.
You look amazing.
Thank you.
With the church next to you. Wow.
Big city life. here in Chiloé. As you can see, the cities here look very different from what at least we in Europe are used to. A lot of small shops. The houses aren't so high. The style is very different. So big city life isn't the same everywhere around the world.
We're now going to the famous Quellón beach, which is about 100 kilometers from here. It should be along the Highway 5 for most of it, and afterwards some roads like this, some unpaved roads, and then one of the most beautiful views on Chiloé, apparently. So really looking forward to this. And there shouldn't be any rain today, which would be a first.
Can you imagine living in a place like this? Most people we've spoken to here in Chiloé, hey, cool, say they're so glad that they can live in paradise. Oh, wow. Look at this. Holy shit. People live in paradise.
After all the excitement today, we had to start our daily task of finding a new camp spot, which usually entails a lot of dead ends. So we're now on the west coast of Chile, and Iris was just going to start filming. And if you look straight ahead, there's nothing there. We're south of New Zealand already, so if you would go around the world from here, you would just end in Chile, the east side. So that's amazing. Just circumnavigate the globe and end in the same country, because there's nothing in between.
We're just a little scared it's going to be very cold once the sun goes away. But it's so incredibly beautiful here. Like, look at that. Honestly. Empty beaches as far as you can see. It's incredible.
When you've got no idea of what's ahead and you're a Belgian, you always grab the first opportunity to ride some sand. Even if only a little. So here we go. As usual, Iris made the wise choice and just looked on while her husband was playing in the sand. Having had my fill of riding in circles, we finally headed out and went in search of the legendary Quellón beach. Struggle is real. Iris is trying to park her bike just to get a few nice photos. She did it. Yeah, we're having a bit of microphone troubles. That's why Iris is looking at me that close. She thinks I hid the microphone. It's always below the... I did not do a thing! Hey! Apparently screaming works. Ah! recording the little horsies for my mom, who loves horsies. Thing to look sandy. Not starting to feel sandy as of yet. It's hammering poles into the ground. Ah, it's a bridge, yeah. Oh wow. Oh, this is amazing. I love this. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be saying that, but I love this. Yeah, I hate sitting down on sand. It gives me a very uncomfortable feeling. Saved it! Steep! Up, parallel to the beach that we can't ride on. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Oh. Alrighty then. This is the road as it turns out. Oh wow. Absolutely epic. Yeah. This is my first proper beach ride, or my second, actually.
I was gonna say it's a second. And they really use it as a road. It is a road, it's the beach road.
Oh, deeper. That is funky.
Oh, that was a deeper part. Uh-oh.
Quite funky. Uh-oh, deeper. Ah, CRF power, come on! Don't let me down! Go! I do get why people say that CRFs have not enough power to do sand riding. You feel it slowing down immediately. Not there yet. Oh, shit. More power!
Power! On speed! Oh dear, no!
Easy does it. Come on, CRF. Easy does it.
Where's the end of the beach? And now? I don't know where to go.
You're joking, right? Where's the road then? Because I can see a road straight in front of us.
So, little update, and Iris is gonna hate me for that. I was so concentrated riding through the sand that actually that was not the road. We actually didn't have to come here. The road goes that way. So I did miss the road, but that was good fun. Now I don't know if we're gonna make it a second time. So this is gonna be interesting. It's being morons, but it is fun though.
I was following my moron husband, you know. And we did it. We made it through. I have to say I was exhausting my second gear. At the end I was full power and was hardly going forward.
Alright, I'm gonna give it another go. Just because it is possible. Oh, I have such a wobbly tail.
You've got a wobbly tail.
Uh-oh, exhausting first gear. Yes, there we go.
You made it. Really up in the beginning of the beach. We're actually trying to figure out how to get to that road, because if you go along the beach there's a river, and according to the map this is a road, but it's not. Yay! Fully loaded dune riding done. With a little death included. For you and your bike. Hey. Wave to the camera.
Most exhausting rides, you missed it. Because I, being a doofus sometimes, did not have enough space on my SD card, and I put a new one in now. Apparently there's 9 hours of filming in there, and I managed to fill it all up. There's a horsey looking at us. There's Iris.
A wifey?
A wifey. And here's a very exhausted me. Small question. ¿Es posible por la...
Sí, cruzar el...
Sí, sa.
¿La moto podrá?
Sí.
Nosotros sacamos los zapatos para cruzar, porque era
Okay.
como así.
Ok, no, es bueno. Muchas gracias. Ok.
Bonito, muy lindo. Very nice.
Muchas gracias. Ciao. Dus het is maar enkel diep en je kunt erdoor.
En jij gaat met de motor erdoor nu. En hij zegt dat het haalbaar is met de motor, want het ging over te voet. En wat was hij dan aan het zeggen over te voet?
Alright, let's give it a go then, eh? Are you filming?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Holy fuck. Okay, go ahead.
Give it a go.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, it's quite deep. That was quite deep. I think my bike is clean now.
But you need to come back, I'm not doing that. No freaking way. No, the water came so high.
You're not doing that? Yeah, it was above my feet anyway. It was halfway up my trousers, I think. Alright, now we just go back now. So I'm not gonna crash the bike, which is good. No.
Oh fuck. Slowly. Oh!
The water is coming into my boots! No! My boots are soaked!
Well, you're dripping.
I can feel it going up. It's cold. I do hope my heroics are caught on camera this time.
Let's show it to the camera, please.
There's nothing coming out. It's all in the sock.
Oh, Jonas.
That was a very, very bad idea.
Yeah, that's water.
It was very, very feasible.
Was it?
It was.
Why didn't I share your impression then?
And there is still like
My soul is floating around in there. I think it's the soul that...
Ah, you've got floating water.
I've got floating water, which is the best sort of water. It's probably just... So, after this little adventure, I'm gonna follow Iris through the sand. Because I like the view. I think I have the most epic shot ever of Iris driving. That's actually quite steep. I didn't... Yeah. I didn't notice it on the way down. This is quite the new experience. There's coos everywhere. We're actually having to fend off the cows away from our tent. We were not really expecting anything. But there they are nonetheless. I don't know why. It's drooling as well.
And we've got the whole herd.
Yeah. And that one's a bit angry. It's making... That one's angry as well. And all we want to do is drink a bit of tea. And there's one adventurous cow.
He always goes up the hills.
Yeah.
A sheep. And little ones are curious.
I always liked cows. I've never trusted them. Oh, that's the noisy one.
No, she's gonna pass. Okay.
Never a dull life camping.
Yeah, this is a very special cup of tea.
Cheers. Like and subscribe.